I'm Atsushi Masuko, former Director General of the Bureau of Waterworks for the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. Today, I would like to share with you smart water experiences in Tokyo. Today's presentation will focus on three main topics. I would like to start my session with water supply operations by AI technologies. My second topic is smart metering. Third topic is the issue of drinking tap waters, which I believe is a core issue to water suppliers. Before I get into my talk, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Tokyo Water Services. Tokyo is a city of 13 million people and is one of the largest cities in the world. The total supply capacity of its facilities is about 7 million cubic meters per day. I'd like to start my first topic, water supply operations by AI technologies. Although there are several aspects of smart water, the one I would most like to explain today is Tokyo Water's Water Supply Operations Center. Tokyo Water established the Water Supply Operations Center 40 years ago in 1979. The center's mission is to manage Tokyo's large and complex water supply from water sources to taps in a way that is both efficient and cost-effective. This picture shows you the data flow concept of the water supply system in Tokyo. Over 20,000 data are collected per day by the Water Supply Operations Center. Then, center staffs, using a computer-aided system, make operational decisions about water supply management. In addition to main facilities like purification plants, the center manages pipe networks all over Tokyo, and this management is concerned with not only quantity but also quality. For quantity, over 300 telemetering stations are located on streets. They provide the pressures and flow rates on distribution mains. For quality, around 130 water quality telemetering stations are located on public properties like parks. They monitor 7 parameters of water quality like chlorination levels. The water quality measurements of all monitoring points are published daily on Tokyo Water's homepage for customers. These stations are equipped with battery backup functionality for 3 days, so that data failures caused by problems like blackouts, power line trouble, or earthquake damage can be avoided. As part of the smart water system in Tokyo, the Water Supply Operations Center has led to remarkable results. It can respond to pipeline facility or water source accidents. It can also appropriately trace unexpected rapid changes in demand caused by drastic events like huge earthquakes. Furthermore, water quality issues can be quickly identified and addressed. The ability to fine-tune the operations of purification plants and pumps has led to equalized and stable water pressure all across Tokyo. Currently, the center is striving to minimize the overall power consumption of the water supply system. Next topic is smart metering. Tokyo Water decided to introduce 6,000 smart meters into residences, which will be used as the athlete village of Olympic Games. It is a pilot project for smart metering. In this project, joint meter reading with power utility and gas utility has been adopted. First, reading data is transmitted to receiving terminal wirelessly. Secondly, many data are gathered to centralized terminal. Finally, those data are transmitted to each utilities. As reference, power utility and gas utility in Tokyo have already adopted smart water since several years ago. Therefore, smart power meter and smart gas meter are widespread in Tokyo. On the other hand, smart water meter is not yet popular in Tokyo. This is because most of water meters are located underground and disadvantageous for wireless transmission and maintenance. Now, conventional metering is every 2 months in Tokyo. On the other hand, smart metering will be able to be every hour. Actually, smart meter is very convenient and attractive for water utilities and customers. However, the price of smart meter will be 6 times higher than that of traditional meter. That is a big problem. As the first stage of smart metering, Tokyo Water has adopted wireless meter reading system since 2010. This system is adopted for all of large meters of which size is more than 50 millimeter. And it is also adopted in houses where reading meter is difficult for some reasons, such as there is a dangerous dog. This system consists of electronic meter, transmitter, terminal, and handy terminal. By using handy terminal for meter reading, meter reader can read meter wirelessly without looking meter directly. The number of these meters amounts to about 60,000. Let's begin the last topic, drinking tap water. Japanese people are used to being able to drink their tap water as the supply has been safe for many years. Because of these high ingrained expectations, we have to make sure that we maintain that level of safety into the future. Tokyo's water sources are not ideal, especially in terms of water quality. This is because its catchment areas and rivers are densely populated. A few decades ago, Tokyo's water had issues with algae odor and other quality problems. Consequently, it was decided to install advanced water treatment systems that use ozonation and biological activated carbon treatment. Nowadays, the facility capacity has become 5.5 million cubic meters per day. This slide illustrates how these various treatment systems work together. First, the water undergoes a high-performance sedimentation process. After this, ozone contact and biological activated carbon treatment are employed. At the end, the water passes through a sand filtration stage. People in Tokyo are now free from problems like algae odor and can enjoy drinking high quality water. This has helped bring our customers back to tap water after many people had moved away from it due to these issues and the boom of bottled water. Please look at this graph, which shows some of the fruits of this labor. This graph shows the increase in customer satisfaction between 2003 and 2015 for tap water drinking in Tokyo. The ratio of people who respond that they have some level of satisfaction increased from 28% to 56%, and those who were dissatisfied or somewhat dissatisfied fell from 50% to 10%. A blind taste test between Tokyo tap water and bottled water was also conducted. Of 200,000 people asked, half said they enjoyed Tokyo tap water more than bottled water. I would like to point out that customer relations activities like these are a vital part of gaining customer acceptance and support. Thank you very much.